Also, for the record, hopefully you can hear me, by the way, I don't have the seat all the way down, so in these clips the gimbal keeps like hitting the ceiling and de-gimbaling itself for security purposes. You know how it goes, it has like a little save thingy in case the gimbal gets touched by something that knocks it off its axis. So yeah, that's why the camera keeps like randomly looking down or going out of, like, you know, not pointing forward. But I was just testing the Osmo Pocket on the head cam, and for driving, at least in this car where the seating position is, it's not optimal, which is why I'm going to have to be using the Osmo Action, because it has a shorter profile and yeah, it just will work better. I'm gonna have a an Osmo Action head cam driving video pretty soon. I had to just do this one first. So yeah, thanks for watching.